Hello, people. We are hiking, and if we are never seen again, dang it. Onions on the floor. Hey, Cole, it's been half an hour. How many miles out of 10?
1.6.
Yeah! We're hiking, we're hiking, we're hiking.
Shut up!
We're taking a break. I know a song that gets on everybody's nerves. Everybody's nerves. Everybody's nerves. I know a song that gets on everybody's nerves. And this is how it goes. Bum bum. Yeah. Mandatory primary education. How you guys like to hike? What? Oh. Oh, whoa, look, a barn.
It's a covered bridge.
Oh, look, a covered bridge. Corbin, you know that was on the floor, right?
It wasn't on the floor.
Yes, it was. Don't you dare knock down that tiny rock. How dare you? Hey, you guys having fun?
No.
This is awesome. We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship, zooming through the sky. Little Einsteins, climb aboard, get ready to explore. There's so much to find. Little Einsteins, come on, let's go. Little Einsteins, we need you. Little Einsteins, yeah. Cole, are we almost done?
Almost!
Almost! There's the parking lot! We're almost there! Finally! At the end of the day, after hiking for 6 hours when we should have hiked for 4,
Look at those cows!
ice cream.